Hi, I'm Margo, the head roaster here at Snake River Roasting Company in Jackson, Wyoming. We're here to show you a little bit about the Aeropress today. So this is what we'd find in your typical Aeropress kit. We've got the filter basket, the plunger, the coffee holder and water holder, scooper and pre-measured tool, your little stir stick, and your filter holder. And oddly enough and awesomely enough, this all packs together into a small little bag that the Aeropress comes in for convenience. Today I chose White Spider. It's a super warm and comforting cup of coffee in the morning. It's creamy, chocolatey, kind of buttery, and with today, the weather outside, it's dreary and rainy. It was pretty much my go-to. It's one of our favorite, or at least my favorite coffees that we have, and it's available on our website. So definitely check it out. This grind that we have here is what I typically use for an Aeropress. It's a pretty super fine espresso grind, probably a little bit finer than table salt. So if you're gonna do an Aeropress, I'd definitely go with something like that. So when you grab your Aeropress, you're probably like, how do I take this thing apart? It's really not that complicated, but you just spin off the filter holder. So you have one part, pull out the plunger, and you're all set to go. Grab a filter, put it in your filter basket, attach that back on the little threads. Make sure it's tight, because the worst thing is when you pour the water in and it all comes out the bottom. Take your scooper, put your coffee in, make sure it's on a steady cup. So when you push down, things don't spill. And then you plunge. Oh, when they're fresh, they're a little tight. So plunge for 40 seconds and you've got a good cup of coffee. So let's make a cup of coffee. Take the filter off, separate the two pieces. Grab your filter and put it in the basket. Thread it on, make sure it's in there evenly so you don't get any weird spillage. Put your two scoops in. Make sure you even that guy out just to get a flat bed surface, and pour in your water in a circular motion just to get all of those grinds wet evenly. Let it bloom a little, give it a little agitation. And get to plunging slowly for about 40 seconds. And then at the end, you'll hear a little shoo noise. And that basically tells you that all the water's out. So there's your cup of coffee. You can drink it like that or add some water to it. Then we move on to the cleaning. Take your Aeropress, remove the filter holder, and basically just pop it out. Take a little water, rinse off the little rubber grommet, replace the filter basket, and you're done. So to review, Aeropress is pretty awesome. It makes a great cup of coffee, super easy to clean, and super convenient for camping, traveling, or just everyday use. All of these things, the barista kettles are really sweet. They really do a good job of saturating the bed and keeping everything even with extraction in the Aeropress. The Aeropress and Delicious White Spider, they're all available on our website. So check it out, snakeriverroastingco.com. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for some more cool stuff. I'm Margo.